Friends, welcome to Dr. Vet channel. Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head, Veterinary Medicine here. We will see bovine ketosis part 5, a important metabolic disease. In this part 5, we will study clinical pathology, diagnosis, and differential diagnosis of ketosis. Friends, we discuss here clinical pathology of ketosis. You already know that biochemical characteristic of ketosis is decreased glucose blood level, hypoglycemia, increased ketone body level, ketonemia, increased ketone body level, ketonuria, increased ketone body level in milk, ketolaxia. Now, what are the levels that we'll see in this slide and the subsequent slides? In first column, we are mentioning the biochemical moiety. Second column, the normal level, and third column, level in case of clinical ketosis. First, we talk about glucose level. The normal glucose level in blood is 50 milligram per diem. Normal blood glucose level is 50 milligram per diem. In primary hypoglycemia, the blood glucose level is reduced in ketosis cases 20 to 40 milligram per diem. In secondary hypoglycemia, in ketosis cases, the glucose level is above normal, that is more than 40 milligram per diem. We have seen the normal glucose level in blood and glucose level in the ketosis cases. Now here we will see the normal ketone level and ketone level in the ketosis cases. The normal ketone bodies level in blood is up to 10 milligram per diem. Normal level is up to 10 milligram per diem. In primary ketosis, the level is increased from 10 to 100 milligram per diem. In secondary ketosis, the level is less than 50 milligram per diem, but it is increased. Again, the level is less than 50 milligram per diem, it is increased. Normal is 10 milligram per diem. Now, about the ketone body in the urine. The normal level of ketone bodies is 10 to 70 milligram per diem. In urinary ketones, primary and secondary, in ketosis cases, it is increased 80 to 130 milligram per diem. And if the clinician smell the urine, there will be sweet smell from the urine. This is also a clinical diagnosis. About the milk ketones, the normal level of ketone bodies in milk is 3 milligram per diem. In ketosis cases, the milk ketone increased and generally average is 40 milligram per day, and thus there is also a sweet smell from the milk. Now about the calcium level, normal level of serum calcium is 9 to 11 milligram per day. In ketosis cases, there is significant fall in serum calcium. That is because the balance of acidosis and bases. Serum magnesium level, normal level is 2 to 2.5 milligram per day. But in ketosis cases, there is fall in serum magnesium level. And so there is excitatory symptom. Liver glycogen, we have already seen in the etiology, there is low liver glycogen. Volatile fatty acids in blood and rumen, they are increased. The hematological changes observed in ketosis are there is a eosinophilia. It is increased up to 15 to 40%. Lymphocytosis 60 to 80%. And there is neutropenia. The neutrophil level may go as low as even 10% also. For the diagnosis in the field, there is an important quick test, Rothras reaction. This Rothras reaction or Rothras test can be performed in milk and urine for the diagnosis of ketosis. It is very quick field test. This field test measures only acetoacetic acid and generally primary ketosis, and it gives a strong color. There is a Rothras solution and the urine is poured from the side of the test tube slowly so that urine can form a layer over the Rothras reagent. At the junction of urine and Rothras reagent, there is development of potassium permanganate like color. If there is strong color, it is positive for the ketosis. Diagnosis of ketosis. History is very much important for the diagnosis of ketosis. History of time of calving, history of early part of the lactation, there is more danger period, history of high milk production, history of starvation, history of feeding program, and history of other diseases that causes anorexia and that also aggravate the ketosis condition. So history is important. Clinical findings we have already seen in detail. Clinical signs of fitting form and nervous form. Characteristic biochemical changes, hypoglycemia, ketonemia, ketonuria, and ketolaxia. The subclinical ketosis, generally there is no clinical signs. In subclinical ketosis, there is ketonemia, but there is absence of clinical signs. Remember, ketone is present in the blood and the level of beta hydroxybutyric acid is more than 1 to 2 milligram per dl in the milk. This is useful for the diagnosis of subclinical or marginal ketosis. The diagnosis of subclinical ketosis is important because these cases, if not treated at subclinical level, it may transform into the clinical ketosis. Differential diagnosis of ketosis. We know that there are two forms. There is a wasting form and a nervous form. The digestive or wasting form of ketosis is generally confused with indigestion, traumatic reticulitis, traumatic peritonitis, abdominal displacement, pyelonephritis, and this may also causes anorexia and also causes ketosis. Continuation of the diseases confused with digestive or wasting form of ketosis, vagus indigestion, peritonitis, pleurisy, pneumonia, diabetes mellitus. This require to be differentiated, and I have already prepared on many of these diseases. Nervous form of ketosis is confused with following diseases because this disease also causes nervous abnormal behavioral changes, nervous signs. Examples are lead poisoning, nitrate poisoning, rabies, and many a time a complicated ketosis or a ketosis with milk fever may also confuse with the normal ketosis. Friends, I have already narrated in short the clinical pathology, diagnosis and differential diagnosis of ketosis that is applicable and important under field conditions. Requested to share this information with our veterinary friends and to promote the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.